Now let's talk about how you're gonna empty the trash on your Apple Watch. Let's get into it. So you should at first know that there is no such thing as you have a trash icon on your Mac computer, right? So it is not really a thing, but what you have instead is trash within some individual applications. The most common one is likely going to be the email, because inside of the mail app, you can find like various different sections. And right there, you can also just click on the edit button to see which sections appear on your watch. And if you don't have the trash selected, you can actually just do this and make sure that you have access to the trash folder. But essentially, you can just delete apps, put it in the folder right there, and also perform the deletion process again if you want to. So this is like the most common approach on how you might be trying to delete stuff from your trash or empty the trash on the Apple Watch. Outside of that, it doesn't really apply to the Photos app because you can only sync selected albums from your iPhone. So it's not like you can sync every single photo and like delete them and so on. It works a little bit differently. So this is likely going to be the best thing that you probably also mean by searching up that video. So if there is anything else that you meant by looking this up, then let me know about it below in the comments. But for now, that's going to be about it. Honestly, I hope that I could help you with this issue. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.